As a mission-driven company, Voltalia's purpose is to improve global environment and foster local development. These initiatives guides us all our actions and ensures that well-being of the local communities and not only generate clean energy generations. Initially, Voltalia provided the smart board to support digital learning, and this idea came from the competition of the school's drawing of the Sarimay project logo.
Today was very historical day because today we conducted ceremony for the donation of 2 interactive whiteboards to this school, and this is, I'm very happy because I contributed to arrange this ceremony for our project.
Endi darslarimiz ham yanada qiziqarli o'tmoqda. Videolarni, rasmlarni katta ekranda ko'rish oson bo'ldi. O'qituvchimiz ham darsni tushuntirishda qulaylik sezmoqda.
Bu doskada yozilgan narsani o'chirish oson, ranglar bilan ham yozish mumkin. Ba'zan o'qituvchimiz videolarni yoki slaydlarni doskada ko'rsatadi. Bu esa mavzuni yaxshiroq tushunishimizga yordam beradi.
Maktabimiz yanada chiroyli va zamonaviy bo'lib qoldi. O'qishga ishtiyoqimiz oshdi. Har kuni darsga kelgimiz keladi. Bunday imkoniyatlar uchun Voltaliaga rahmat aytamiz.